I think it might not get there, guys. So I'm gonna start small here. 50 under 50 40s. 50 40s. If I can get it. Yep. 50 40s. I'm gonna, because it's a chase trade, guys, I'm starting small just because it's a chase trade. I've started small. 50 40s. I need this 50 20s to break very quickly, guys. I need this wash to happen. Right now my stop would be over because I've started small. I can afford to leave my stop. 50 80s, our original area, and if it does come back up, I might add to it. So the entry at I chased it a little bit, guys. If you want, you can enter small here, and then when it pulls back up to 50 60s, we can have another add there, and then wait for the level. Our stop will be 50 80s. Just put my stop here. So yeah, 50 83s, guys. There we go. There we go. Voila. Right, lovely. That looks good. So I decided to take an early short here, 540s, although it was a much of a chase for me. But I sometimes let you sort of stay in a trade. There you go. There you go. Come on, wash more. I'm gonna take some out, guys. I'm taking some out. 40 90s. 40 90s. I'm out. First partial out. 40 90s. Lovely trade, guys. That's our trade, guys. Our stop comes down now to, let me just change the color of this. Just pretend this is my stop. That's my stop, coming up to 50 50s, guys. Up, looking good. 49 70s. Come on, NIO. You can do this. 50 49 50s. Give me 49 50s and I'll take some out. Let's have a look. There it goes. NIO seems to be weaker at that level. 50 20s, guys. Under 50 would confirm that weakness, guys. So I'm waiting for the 50 to break. There we go. 40 93s. 49 93s. 90s. There we go. There's quite a bit of, oh, huge, but okay, it's getting taken out, so that's not a problem. Right, okay, so this is weak, guys. At the moment, it looks like it wants to break the recent lows. So I'm still waiting on it to break this and give us 49 50s. And there you go, it wants to really go. It wants to go. Let's go. I might actually add here. I'm just a bit late. As close to 50s as possible. I was thinking of adding. I feel like I want to add, but it's done this much move. And also it's Friday. Right. I'm not gonna add, guys, but there is an add point here. 50 90s. And there it goes. There it goes. Okay. Now we'll see. 78, 76, 75s. Reading the tape, guys. 70s. Yep, 70s gets taken out. 71 held last time, remember? 70s. There you go. It's not holding anymore. So this pullback was actually quite healthy pullback from this move down, and this is his third move now, guys. I'm taking some out. 50s. 50s. I wanted to read the 45s. I'm waiting. Taking some out. 53s, guys. 53s. Took some out at 53s. It went all the way to 44s, but I just couldn't get it. Still okay, because the plan was to actually, if it washes to 50s, that's when I took the partial out. On this one, guys, I'm actually all out because I didn't have, I had only my 50% of my position. So I'm all out. One partial, two partials, all done. Trade is over. There was an add point here, guys. I just didn't take it because, today is not my day to actually pile up on trades. Friday, I don't usually do that.